So yes, the biological example. A woman cannot impregnate herself. And yet, after she receives what she receives from her husband, this packet of DNA, okay, she turns that into your baby. I mean, that's an incomparable upgrade. You're starting off with, a little bit of genetic code, and 9 months later, you have this person with a personality and a smile and a name. So that's a prime example of how femininity receives. But after she receives, what she does with what she receives is so much greater than what she received in the first place. 6 days of work and Shabbos, the same thing. So 6 days of work, yeah, you have to bake the kugel on the 6 days of work, or you don't have a kugel on Shabbos. But then you take that kugel and you give it to Shabbos, meaning you eat that kugel on Shabbos and use it to celebrate Shabbos, and then that kugel becomes much more than just a bunch of calories. That kugel becomes meaning. It becomes purpose. In other words, the kugel that you eat on Shabbos that was baked during the 6 days of work imbues you with the purpose and the meaning to go back out for another 6 days after that and do it all over again. So what has greater value? A piece of kugel or purpose and meaning? So 6 days of work provide the kugel, and if Shabbos doesn't get the kugel from the 6 days of work, she doesn't have the kugel, and yet she takes that kugel and she turns it into purpose and meaning, which is an infinite upgrade. So if you want to understand masculine and feminine, basically you have to understand this relationship. That half of the sentence is she's passive, she's waiting, she's the recipient. Yeah, that's the half of the story, half of the sentence. But the other half of it is, and after she gets what she gets, she turns it into something incomparably greater than what he gave her in the first place. That is true, by the way, on every level, in every masculine and feminine paradigm.
Hey, this is Shais Taub. You were just watching a clip from this class. If you want to get the full context, the full class that this clip that you just watched was from, you watch right here. Click right here. Here.